Imagine a single car selling for over $3.5 million at auction. Yes, a classic American muscle car. The rarest muscle cars aren't just collector's items, they're gold on wheels. What makes these machines so valuable? Stay tuned, because we're about to dive into the world of high-stakes muscle car collecting. For decades, American muscle cars have captured the hearts of car lovers with their raw power, aggressive styling, and high-performance engines. But beyond their roaring V8s and sleek designs, some of these cars have become legendary, commanding insane prices at auctions. Why? Because they are incredibly rare. Some were made in limited numbers, others had one-of-a-kind factory specs, and a few have stories that make them priceless. Today we'll explore the rarest American muscle cars, the challenges of collecting them, and the jaw-dropping prices they command in the market. So why is finding these rare muscle cars such a challenge? Limited production. Some of the most valuable muscle cars had production runs of just a few dozen units. If you weren't lucky enough to buy one back in the day, finding one now is like hunting for buried treasure. High demand? Every serious car collector dreams of owning these legends, which means competition is fierce. The moment one surfaces, bidders go crazy. Hidden gems. Some of these cars are sitting untouched in barns and garages, waiting to be discovered, while others have disappeared into private collections, never to be seen again. Only the most dedicated collectors, and those with deep pockets, can get their hands on these automotive unicorns. Let's take a look at some of the rarest American muscle cars ever made. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. Only 69 units were ever built, featuring an all-aluminum 427 engine that was too powerful for the average buyer. Today, these beasts sell for well over $1 million. 1971 Hemi Cuda Convertible. With just 11 ever produced, this Plymouth Barracuda is one of the rarest muscle cars in existence. A pristine model once fetched $3.5 million at auction. 1967 Shelby GT 500 Super Snake. Originally a one-off prototype built to showcase a GT40 race engine, this car was capable of 170 miles per hour. One of the rarest and most desirable Shelbys ever. Each of these cars tells a unique story, from secret factory projects to record-setting performances, and that's why collectors are willing to spend fortunes to own them. But nothing compares to the record-breaking sale of one of the rarest muscle cars in history, the 1971 Plymouth Hemi Cuda Convertible. With only 11 ever built and featuring a legendary 426 Hemi engine, this car shattered expectations when it sold for $3.5 million at auction. That's more than the price of a Bugatti Chiron. Why such a high price? Unmatched rarity, legendary performance, and an iconic status in muscle car history. This is the ultimate dream car for collectors and proof that American muscle can be just as valuable as European exotics. Rare muscle cars aren't just vehicles, they're rolling pieces of history. From the limited production models to the ones that broke records, these machines represent the golden era of American performance. If you ever come across one of these classics in a garage somewhere, you might just be looking at a multi-million-dollar treasure. Now let's hear from you. Which muscle car would you love to own? Drop your dream car in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic car content. Check out our other videos on legendary car collections and hidden muscle car gems. You won't want to miss them.